Hello students, myself Rohit Prajapat and I'm going to take biology topics for you for your 12th board exam, and I hope all of you are ready for that exam. Only 2-3 months are left for the exam, right? So what and all preparations we have done for exams. Apart from that, whatever I'm going to talk about in this video is not about the syllabus or the theory or the teaching part. It is about to understand the examination. What will be the pattern of examination? What will be the blueprint of examination? How the questions will be framed in biology and in other subjects also. But right now for biology only. Okay. So do you know how many chapters and how many units are there in biology's second PU? I think all of you know, right? So let's start from the blueprint, an entire blueprint of CBSE board exam, which is right now for your Karnataka at the same syllabus, but a little bit difference is there in the pattern, question paper pattern and all. Okay, so let's discuss what and all questions numbers will be there and what and all topics are there. So you have in your biology 5 major units. The 5 major units, the first unit is reproduction in organism, the plant reproduction, human reproduction, reproduction in living organism, and the reproductive health. There are 4 chapters in that, right? And those all 4 chapters are very important because the marks which are concerned with those 4 chapters are approximately 12 marks. So 12 marks will be coming from the first unit. The second unit is genetics and evolution. Genetics and evolution is a unit which is very important because the maximum questions comes from genetics and evolution. It has again many chapters. The first is Mendelian principle of inheritances, principle of inheritance and variation. The second chapter is molecular basis of inheritance. The third chapter is genetics and evolution, so evolution. Okay, and the fourth chapter is human evolution, which is included in that only. Okay, comprises of totally 20 marks. We will write the entire blueprint on board also so that you will be able to understand. The third unit is biology in human welfare. Biology in human welfare has microbes in human welfare, disease biology, how a person gets disease and what are the different types of disease, bacterial disease, pathogen disease. Alright, so those all diseases will also be discussed in the third chapter. The third chapter or unit has 12 marks. So 12, 20, 12, and then the second last unit is biotechnology, tools and its application. So biotechnology, tools and its application is comprises of 12 marks. There are 2 chapters in that. One is the biotechnology, techniques and tools. Second is the biotechnology and its application. And the only 2 chapters are comprises of 12 marks. You can understand how the question will come. And the last unit is ecology and environment. So ecology and environment also has the 15 marks. So total when you calculate all this, 70 marks question paper will be there. And in that 70 marks question paper, you have to write all this, whatever questions will come in that, right? So let's make a blueprint of this entire board. Okay. So first of all, we will write the chapter or unit name. Chapter or unit. Each and every chapter and unit is having 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark question and 5 mark question. And here we will see the total. Okay, so the first chapter is reproduction. Right, the first unit is reproduction. 1 mark question will be 2. 2 will be 1 mark question from this unit. 2 mark question will also be 2. 3 mark question will also be 2. And there will be no 5 mark question from there. Okay, so total will be 12. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12. So 6 plus 6, 12. Total 12 marks questions will come from the sexual reproduction, reproduction in organism, human reproduction, reproduction in plants and all this. Okay, so entire reproduction unit is comprised of that. Second is genetics and evolution. Second unit is genetics and evolution. The 1 mark question will be 2. 1 mark question, along with that 2 mark question also will be 2. 3 mark question will be 3. There are 3 mark questions in that. So total 9 marks you will get from this part of genetics and evolution. And there will be 1 5 mark question. So total you are getting here is 20 marks. In these 2 units itself, you are getting 20 plus 12, 32 marks. Alright. The third unit is biology in human welfare. Biology in human welfare is actually a simple unit. We can work a little bit in that unit and we will be able to get marks. Alright. See, the 1 mark question will be 1, 2 mark question will be also 1, 3 mark question will be 3 here also. So total 9 marks you can get from here. 3 mark question, and there is no 5 mark question. So total, 1 second, I think 1 mark question is 1, and 2 mark question will also be 1, 3 mark question will be 1, right, that's right, actually. So total 12 marks. Alright, the 4th unit is biotechnology. Biotech tools and application. Biotechnology tools and application. Biotechnology tools and application has only 2 chapters, and in those 2 chapters they are asking for 12 marks. How? 1 mark questions 2, 2 mark question 1, 3 mark question 1, and 5 mark question also 1. So total it will be 12 marks. Right? And the last unit will be ecology and environment. Ecology and environment. In ecology and environment, you have 1 mark question, 4 2 marks question. Means 8 number you can get here, 8 marks total. 4 2 marks question. There is no 3 mark question, not available, and 1 5 mark question you can get. Sorry, yeah, 1. So actually 1 5 mark question. So total will be 50. Based on this, the total number of or total marks you will get will be 70. 70 marks. 30 marks will be for your practical, right? So if we start from now, obviously 2-3 months are left for your exam, and if we start, you just stay with us, we'll be able to tell you that what and all questions are very important, which and all topic is important. If you do this topic, definitely the questions will come from this. Looking at this blueprint, we will know that which chapter is more important. Like the genetics and evolution is consist of maximum marks, 20 marks. Okay, anyways it's an approximate, but still it will come in the same way. And the second chapter, which is second unit, which is ecology and environment, is also of 15 marks. Later others are 12 marks. So if we do some units out of 5 units, if 3 units also are properly done, then nobody can stop us to get good marks also. And then definitely we will do other units also. So all units will be able to deal here, and along with this we will be able to solve the question papers also. And when we solve question paper, when we discuss all these things, definitely you are going to get very good marks. So I from my side personally believe that if you attend all these classes, definitely in biology you will be able to get good marks. Apart from that, there are some more things which I want to tell you. Like in biology, you don't have to write so many lines, so many paragraphs, or you don't have any solution. There is no numerical like in mathematics, right? So in biology, just learning a concept and remembering the points would be easy, right? And you just have to write the same points over there when the question comes. Some of the questions will be very easy. Some of the questions will be tricky. So in those easy questions which are 1 mark, definitely we can do a little bit more hard work. Because once you know the answer, definitely you just have to write 1 word or 1 line. It's not like mathematics that you have to do the entire solution and after that you will come to an answer. So what I'm trying to tell you is, the first thing, writing answers in biology is not a very difficult task. We can write a to the point answer and we can go ahead. No need of explanation or detail which is not required. If it is not required. If they ask for 5 marks, definitely you have to write, right? But for 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark, there is no need of writing any kind of things. Alright, Along with that, I would like to tell you, in biology, the diagrams are the most important thing. Diagrams and the practice of diagrams. Obviously, we all are scared of diagrams, right? But when you will be attending our classes, in those classes, I'll tell you how to draw the diagrams. I'll be drawing each and every diagram on the board, every diagram from the beginning. Okay, so it's not like already pre-drawn diagram. I'll tell you how to start and I'll tell you how to end. Without diagrams, you may not be able to get the good marks. Alright, so please start practicing for the diagram. Whenever we are starting any classes, before that you will be given a module with you. Okay, in that entire theory will be given. Theory as well as the questions. The questions which are generally asked in previous exams and the questions which are present in the CBSE book. Alright, or all these NCERT book, right? So in that book, which and all questions are there, most important questions along with answers will be given to you. Alright, so when these questions are given to you, when the theory is given to you, when we are here to teach you, and when we are here to tell you how to study, how to get good marks, how to draw diagrams, definitely nobody can stop your success. Okay, so you will definitely get good marks. The last thing, when we will be drawing the diagram, drawing a diagram is very easy, but labeling the correct part will be the most important thing. In biology, a diagram without labeling is wrong. 0 marks. Nothing you will get if you don't label. So these are some small tips and tricks which I wanted to give you before we start the classes. Definitely now after that we will be starting from the first unit itself, the reproduction. In the first unit, reproduction, the first chapter, reproduction in living organism or organism, that we are going to study. Alright, so but in each and every chapter there are so many diagrams in which all those diagrams we have to label also, and we have to get good marks. So from my side and from entire K2 Learning sides and from entire team, I would like to say all the best, and you can just do good in exam. Thank you.